What up, best friends? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm working with Unice again, and I decided to do like a Christmas thing. Even though Christmas was yesterday, I still wanted to upload this because I already had it filmed. So okay, this is the packaging. It comes with all of these goodies. They sent me a stocking cap. They sent some jewelry. They sent a wig grip, a wig cap, eyelashes, a wig, of course. A Christmas card. Like, the packaging was really cute. Okay, so this is the wig. We are working with a 5x5 closure. This is a body blade unit, and you know what we're gonna do because you've seen the tutorial. I mean, you've seen the intro, you've seen the thumbnail. We about to bleach it. And from the looks of it, the knots are kind of bleached, but we're going to bleach them some more anyway. So what you are going to need for this tutorial is 30 volume and Express 9 Blonde Me bleach. Okay, the Blonde Me, I love Blonde Me because if you do it right and you do it right, you will get a good lift. And the colors I'm using is from Kiss. This is Emerald and Forest Green. So I mixed both of those together. I sectioned my wig in 5 parts. I probably did like 3 tracks, maybe 4 tracks per section. And then I did the closure by itself. So I did all of that. And then so I seen a little technique on Instagram, and I was like, let me try it. And basically they were balayaging with their hands instead of a brush. And I was like, I'm all for doing a hand, I was about to say a little hand job, but that sounds so horrible. I'm all about doing quick bleaching because I don't care to bleach. So basically you take some bleach on the base of your hand. Make sure you have gloves because chemical burn hurts, girl, especially if it gets under your nails. So you want to do that and feather it up on the sides as well, so you can get that, that little balayage look. Okay, and so you do that for all of the entire sections. And what I'm doing is each section I'm gradually going up and up and up and up, so it can have that gradual color shift of color going up. So that's what I'm doing. And yeah, it's real self-explanatory. And for the tips of the hair, I make sure that they're fully saturated because I wanted the tips very saturated on this wig. I was really like contemplating if I wanted to leave it blonde and just tone it because it was really pretty, or if I wanted to add the colors. You're gonna hear me say that here. But yeah, basically just watch me do this technique, and I'm just really using my hand. The only time that I actually used a brush was when I got to the closure, and I wanted it to be a little bit more precise. So this wig bleached really good. It was not dry. It did not shed. And I was very impressed with that. If I left it on longer or incubated it with some plastic or aluminum foil, it would have got lighter. But I didn't need it to be too light because I wanted this to be a wearable wig, nothing too bright. So there you have it. All the bleach is on the wig. Yep, and I'm gonna let it process for about 30 minutes. And this is what it looked like after it was processed for about 30 minutes. Okay, you guys. So I'm not sure if I want to even add the color on there, because I could tell from here that brownish brown color on there is gonna look fire. So I'm gonna tell by how it looks when I wash it when I go up to the kitchen. So I'm about to go ahead and rinse out this bleach. I'll let it sit for about 35 minutes, and my heater in my house is on, so that also helped process, because you could tell that the bottom is pretty light. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off, and then we'll decide if I want to use the color or not. But by this video in the thumbnail, you already know what I decided to do anyway. So you guys, welcome to the kitchen. So I have the two colors right here. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, why do I look blue? It's supposed to be green, so we'll see. I am going to go ahead and put this in there, mix it on up. It literally looks blue, and it looks blue on camera. We'll see how it turned out. So this is how the wig lifted. It's that pretty caramel color. Yes, like if I would have went in and did a little bit more highlights in this situation, it would have been fine. But I have my heart set on some green ombre, so that's what we're going to do. So I would just go. Ooh, okay. Gotta commit to it. And yes, I'm gonna just let it sit and absorb all of that color, because we're going to commit to the green ombre. Okay, so I'm gonna dip it. It's definitely turning green. But yeah, after it has sat, and I am gonna go ahead and bleach the knots, because the knots does need bleaching. I probably do that on camera with you guys, but I'm gonna go let this sit and marinate to get the color. I don't want it to touch my lace, because I don't have any color oops on me. I ran out. So yeah, I'm about to dip this good without touching the lace. And this is how the wig turned out. I know some of y'all gonna be like, well girl, you could have used Got to Be on your lace and it'll work. That don't work for me. I don't know why, it just does not work. And I prefer color oops, because I could be as messy as I want to and it'll just come out bomb. But do you see the gradient? Like, I love that. I love how, like, yeah, the little ombre nice. But anyway, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Go and watch part 2 of this video. All right, until next time, bye you guys.